Do you offer same week or urgent presale cleans?
Yes, we regularly help clients who need urgent presale cleaning in Melbourne due to last-minute photos or inspections, unexpected delays with trades or painters, settlement dates brought forward, buyers requesting a final polish before handover. We understand that real estate timelines can change fast, so we do our best to accommodate same week or even next day bookings, depending on team availability. Our large, reliable team and 9+ years of experience mean we can often mobilize quickly, especially for homes within 20 kilometers of Melbourne CBD. If it's urgent, just call us. We'll give you a transparent quote. Prioritize based on property type, timeline, and scope. Send our most experienced cleaners with all products and equipment. Pro tip: the earlier you book, the more likely we can guarantee your preferred date, especially during busy real estate seasons like spring and summer.